Syurutus sujudi utawi syarat-syarat sujud iku sabatun ada 7. Satu ayas juda yen to sujud sapa wong ala samati angdoin ing atase pitu pira-pira ado mantakuna lan yen to ana sapa kan yen to ana apa jihatuhu jidate wong maksyufatan terbuka iku maksyufatan terbuka wa tahamulu lan menempelkan sapa wong birasihi kelawan sirahe wong wa adamu lan ora ana wa adamul huwi lan ora ana temurun sapa wong ligoirihi krana liyane sujud wa ayas juda lan yen to sujud sapa wong ala syai'in ing atase barang itaharraku kang iso aweh sapa wong
bergerak ya taharraku yang tidak boleh sujud di tempat yang bergerak bergoyang-goyang ya.
Ala syai'in ing atase barang itaharraku kang iso bergerak apa syai'in biharakatihi kelawan tempate sujud gerakane wong biharakatihi kelawan gerakane wong wa yafa'u lan mengangkat sapa wong asafilihi bagian bawah wong ala alihi ing atase bagian atase wong wa tumaninatu fihi lan tumanina ing atase lan tumanina ing dalam sujud.
Okay. Maybe he can read one or two times. And afterward I see that he is success in his reading. I talked to him to stop, and he explained in Indonesian language or English or Arabic, depend on their ability. Coba bahasa Indonesia terangkan.
Jadi syarat-syaratnya sujud ada 7. Syarat-syaratnya sujud itu ada 7. Yang pertama itu mesti si orang yang bersujud itu mesti sujud menggunakan 7 bagian tubuhnya. Lalu ada pun juga jidatnya itu terbuka, tidak boleh tertutup oleh rambut ataupun bagian ataupun oleh apapun, itu pokoknya mesti terbuka. Lalu yang ketiga itu kepalanya nempel sama tanah gitu, sama bagian bawah ini pas ini nempel, nggak boleh makan dikit gitu, nggak sah itu. Kalau itu kan namanya nggak sah. Lalu pokoknya yang keempat itu yang keempat itu kalau sujud itu bagian kepalanya itu mesti turun lebih rendah daripada bagian bawahnya tubuhnya yang sujud itu daripada bagian atasnya. Lalu ada yang kelima itu ada pun juga orang yang bersujud itu harus bersujud di tempat yang nggak bisa gerak, kayak seperti lantai gitu, jadinya untuk tidak mempengaruhi postur sujudnya. Yang keenam itu tumanina, tentunya tumanina, maksudnya tuh berhenti sebentar, tak gini, nggak boleh langsung abis sujud langsung bangun lagi, itu namanya sah. Itu yang ketujuh tadi yang bisa lupa itu turunnya itu mesti untuk sujud, bukan untuk yang lain.
Can you explain your English? Of course, he will talk about sujud. Sujud is one part of the salat.
It's like bowing, but it's lower than that. It's like bowing our head to the ground and lifting our under part of the body up higher than the upper part.
So it's instructions as to how to pray.
Yeah.
How to make sujud. It's a part of prayer.
Right.
Sujud.
Yeah.
Explain.
And there are 7 requirements that they have to accomplish in doing sujud. There are 7 requirements that we have to accomplish in doing sujud. And the first is that we have to do sujud with 7 parts of our body. And second is that
What is the part of your body?
The palms and the knees, the head, and our toes. And the second is that our forehead has to be opened. It cannot be closed
Like that.
like this. So that and the third is
Pelan-pelan, sabar.
He keeps Speak more slowly. Speak more slowly. Which I'm always saying to Jen.
And the third is that our head must stick to the ground. I mean, we have to stick our head to the ground. It cannot be lifted even by a little bit. It is not. And like so. And the fourth that is we cannot do sujud with another intention. I mean that if we want to sujud, then we have to have the intent to do sujud, not by any other subjects. And the fifth requirement is that if one would like to do sujud, and they will have to do that in a place where the ground cannot shake, so that it will not disturb the posture of their sujud. And it can make and it can make one more focused in doing sujud. And the sixth is that we will have to lift our under parts of body, like I said earlier, higher than the upper part of our body. And the seventh of the requirements, the last requirements, is that we will have to tumanina. I mean, tumanina is like stop for a while, stop for a moment, pausing our movement for a second, so that that's just a second. Yeah, like that for a moment, like that. That is the seventh requirement of the sujud.
That was excellent. Excellent
Thank
English
you.
too. I'm
Yeah.
very impressed with your English.
When did you start to learn English?
I started it when I was boy of 5, I suppose.
My goodness. My goodness. It's so